What's up? My name's Ethan and I'm 17 years old. I started this trash can cleaning business called ShyneeKanz, which, yeah, if you're checking out my channel, you might know what it is, you might not. But basically, it's a trash can cleaning business. This summer, I'm trying to turn it into something way bigger than that. Well, it's still gonna be a trash can cleaning business, but way bigger, right? Because I want to hit a goal of $5,000 in 3 months. Now, it's a big goal and big dreams, but it has to happen. Well, not really has to, but it can happen. I know it can. And basically why I want to hit that goal is because when I'm 18, well, senior year, I am going to be traveling across Europe, right? Backpacking for like 3 to 4 months. And so I'm going to be funding it myself. So I want to make that money now so I don't have to do it later. And so, yeah. This is my Project 5K, the ShyneeKanz Summer Takeover. I'm going to walk you guys through everything you need to know, everything it takes for me to make this goal happen. Let's do it. Okay, so most of the money I have made so far off these 2 years have been little amounts, but it's also been more like I spent most of it or used it on just fun things, activities, stuff like that. So let me walk you guys through like the reality, right? I have $360 saved up, and here's that clip of that money. I have about here. Let me show you guys. So here is my my monthly clients. So I run a monthly, a quarterly, and a one-time cleaning, right? So monthly is $20 a month. Quarterly is $30 per quarter, which is every 3 months. And then one time is just self-explanatory. But yeah, so I have 3 clients for monthly, right? I run these people every single month. I have 4 for quarterly. So they make me $60 a month. These clients make me $120 every 3 months. So it's really slow, really steady income, but it just pays for a little bit of gas and stuff right now. I want to grow that and make it a lot more than that. So basically, I have until August 3rd, right? That's the big thing. I work at Chick-fil-A, so that's a big thing also. I have to fit that into the trash can cleaning stuff. And trash can cleaning, it's really difficult because you can only do so much. You can only clean the trash can day of, and the next day after the trash is taken. So that takes a lot of time away. But yeah, just working that through my schedule and figuring that out is a big part of just this process. And then I also have a lot of church camps and stuff like that. I have trips with my family. I go visit my girlfriend. She lives in Atlanta and I live in Arizona. So that's kind of crazy. But yeah, let me start breaking down the actual math and let's go from there. So I built this subscription-based thing, right? It really helps me, like a ton. This is where I'm going to be building my rest of my business. That's what I need, the reoccurring income, right? I'm making a set amount and knowing how much is coming in, but I have built those customers off of really just door knocking. That's been the biggest thing. But this week, actually tomorrow, and I'm going to be filming it all, I'm going to be taking it all in. I'm going into this this neighborhood and I am going to start trying to create routes, start trying to create houses that I can hit up. And I'm doing that by trying up these door hangers that will really, I believe, will upscale. But I'm going to test the waters, see how it works, see what it's like. And I'm going to go from there. I'm going to talk all about it next, probably next week in my update video. And yeah, we'll go from there. I've been using AI a ton, and not just like I'm using AI, it's doing it all for me. I'm learning with it. I am growing with it, and it's teaching me so much. I am mapping out routes with it, optimizing neighborhoods, just analyzing trash days and what days trash is coming in different areas. It's big things that require a lot of time and so difficult to kind of create this thing. And it looks so easy on the outside, but there's so much that goes into it. It's just the analyzing trash days, like what days the trash get taken in different areas. I'm trying to figure out which neighborhoods actually make sense when their trash days are and how I can stack houses close together instead of all over Phoenix. So this is the summer plans, the grind. This is where it starts, right? I'm gonna show you guys my car, my flyers, my scheduling, the early mornings, heat, work life, all of that stuff. I'm building this while everyone else is relaxing. And I'm not better than everyone else. I'm just choosing the path I want to go down someday. And I'm building it right now. So if you want to join me in this journey, leave a like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below what you think I should be doing. I want to hear you guys' feedback. I want to know what I'm doing wrong, what I can do better. And I'm going to be just building these videos also better too. That's what I really want to do. So let's get started by blowing this thing up. Let's do it. Let's hit that goal and let's go from there. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.